Hi there, I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph in your math book. So of course you need your math book, you need a pencil. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find the edge of your paper, whether you're on this side, you'll find it right here, or you're on this side of the page, you'll find it right here. You're going to go over one square, and you're going to draw your line all the way down to about 3 squares away from the bottom. Okay, and then draw over. So very, very steadily draw all the way down to about 3 squares away from the bottom. I'm leaving space down here because I want to write some things. And then draw over. So you have a big L. This corner is 0. So the line above the corner, that's going to be 1. Okay. So go ahead and start numbering each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We could go all the way up to 22, the top. Now we have to decide what we're wanting to measure with this bar graph. So I decided I wanted to know how many chairs and tables are in my house. Okay, so I'm gonna put chairs here. I'm gonna put tables here. And then I've got some more room over here just in case I wanna count some other things like lamps. Maybe you wanna write lamps or lights or switches. See how many switches are in your house? Okay, so I went through and I counted all the chairs, and I counted that there were 18 chairs in my house. That sounds like a lot, doesn't it? But if you imagine around your dining table, there's probably already 6 there. And then every room has a little chair to sit in, and the living room has a few chairs, and the basement has a few chairs. So 18 chairs. Okay, so 1, 2, so see how we're going up to the 2 line? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm gonna take my crayon. You could use colored pencils or anything that you want. I'm gonna color this in. Okay. 18 chairs. I went through my house and I counted my tables. There definitely are not as many tables. I counted 10. So that's including like nightstands. I counted those as tables, and coffee tables. So 10 tables. So I'm gonna find my word table and I'm gonna go above it. I'm gonna draw up to 10. This time I'm just gonna draw one line and go all the way down the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does that line up? Yep, 10. Go over. I'm gonna come back down. You could use a different colored pencil or crayon to do this. They can be different colors. Okay. So maybe you want to do lamps. Oop, I don't need to cross that. Lamps, switches. What else could you do? Windows. And it looks like I filled it up already. Maybe you wanted to do more than just those. I'll show you a way that you can fit more in. So I'm going to show you another bar graph. I'm going to draw it really quickly. And of course you would number all the way up the side. So in order to fit more in, you can write it sideways. So lamps, and this column is for the lamps. Switches, windows, chairs, doors, rugs. See how many more I can do by writing it sideways? And then that column corresponds with whatever thing you're counting, okay? So for example, if I'm doing chairs and I counted 18, right here would be my column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that for chairs. And of course, every bar graph needs a title. So I'm just gonna call it Things in My House. Maybe you wanna do a different type of bar graph. Maybe you wanna do bugs that you find on your walk, or types of bugs, or food in your pantry, canned food, food in a box, food in a bag. You could do things like that, okay? Have fun.